Anytime I got you, girl, you my possession. Even if I hit you once, you part of my collection. Even if I hit you once, you part of my collection.
Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today video is just like it's been a Thursday with me. Yeah. So today, I don't know what time it is. It's like 3:15, something like that. 3:18. I with my bookie, my mama, and my sister, and we finna go swimming. Hopefully y'all didn't see that part because y'all don't need to know.
You know, it's all dead and blocking it out.
Yeah, I am. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, we finna go swim or whatever, and I'm gonna record a little bit of us, but I don't have my thing to put my phone in the little, what's the name? So my phone don't get wet. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I do got one. I might get another one, but if they don't, I won't be recording like going outside and nothing like that. But I'm gonna be back with y'all later. Peace. Okay, hey y'all. We just, my camera are blurry, so hopefully it like y'all can see me through. But no, we just got off that slide, one of the slides. It was fun. My hair got wet though.
Mine bad. Okay.
Okay. And then I got on the body slide, and I was waiting on my mama because she wanted me to wait right here for something. I don't know. But yeah, then we're gonna go over there, go do more TikToks, and go swim some more and just before we leave. Hopefully she did tell me to stay over here because yeah. But yeah, y'all, I'm waiting for her to come back, and then we're finna go swim because we only got a couple minutes before they close.
We gotta change.
Yeah.
You gotta change and stuff.
Yeah, we do. So yeah, y'all, peace. I'll be back with y'all if
Probably go get some food.
Yeah, or maybe if we swim, when we go swim, I might record it. Cause I don't know, I ain't got no thing like I told you, so I can't record that much.
We'll be over there.
Yeah. All right, peace, y'all. Yeah. Hey, y'all. So right now we at McDonald's and we getting some food. Big bag. But yeah, y'all. We getting something else. It's my sister. Yep. Now we just waiting on me and my sister waiting on our food to come out. So yeah, big bag. Yo, that could be so big. Oh my god. Shake it by hand. But yeah, yo, we just waiting on our food and I will be back with y'all maybe when we get to our mama's house or so. But yeah, peace. Okay, y'all. So right now we in Goodwill. I'm just looking at stuff, Burger King. We did get our food too.
We're doing a little mukbang for y'all.
Yeah, we gonna eat some more though. We'll get back in that
I ain't eat nothing. Don't listen to her. We ain't even eat yet. We came to Goodwill. We got out the car.
Like there ain't food outside of your mouth talking.
Oh. That's chocolate, guys.
Oh, she lying. But yeah, we did get our food and we ate. Yeah. But we're not done yet. I ain't done yet.
We know you'll be back.
Play with me, but my hair is curly, y'all, after the water or whatever. But try to get it a little more dry. Yeah, y'all. We're gonna be down here for a little bit, and then we're gonna be going. I'm gonna let y'all know what happened after we leave here. Peace. Hey, y'all. So it's like what?
Concrete. 10:30.
Yeah, 10:33. And last time I saw it was like what? Way earlier. We watching this show. Well, she ain't even watching it. I'm watching this show.
You barely even watching it.
I kind of am, but I'm also looking at my phone. Y'all know. Y'all get it. People who get it, get it. People who don't.
Don't she yap a lot, y'all, in her videos? Don't she? She yap a lot. Like, girl, say what you guys saying and hello?
Girl, hush. But, yeah, that's something we're doing. I'm probably finna just go eat me some pizza.
Big back, big back, big back, and big back, big back.
Nigga. y'all. That's what
I
I'm
need
finna
to
do.
smoke.
Yeah, y'all. That's what we finna do. Just sit here and mostly be chilling and just playing or whatever. Eating food. That's what me gonna do. I don't know about her. But yeah, I'm gonna eat food, watch this show. I watched this show called Your Honor on Netflix. It's real good though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm probably gonna have to play this episode back though. I was barely watching it. I ain't gonna lie, but I was watching it, but not watching it. If y'all get it. It might be a little short though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's okay though.
You guys gonna get bubble tomorrow.
Yeah. So I'll probably see you tomorrow. Yeah. So see you tomorrow.
All day tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. See you tomorrow. Peace, y'all. Hey, y'all. So it's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock on the dot in my drop top. So
No. It's probably dark right now, but me and Tay is trying to attempt to pull an all-nighter.
I just
By the
got
way, we just got out the shower and stuff, because I know we wasn't in the pool and stuff.
I'm not sleepy no more after I got the shower. Not gonna lie. I'm ready to sleepy after.
I don't know. I think I'm starting to get tired.
You started what?
I'm starting to get tired.
I knew that was gonna happen. I told you, you ain't gonna be dealing with me.
Hey, I think I'm gonna be cool though. I think I can make it to
No,
the
you can't.
Yes, I
Turn
can.
the camera this way. On my back foot. On my back foot.
Bye.
No, she said. On my back foot, she ain't gonna make it. On my back foot.
Yes, I can. I'm gonna make it. Watch me make it.
I like on my foot. I was watching.
Exactly. You not gonna
like
make it.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I just sleep.
Exactly. She ain't gonna make it. But by the time I see that light, I'm gonna make myself go to sleep. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, yo, we finna watch some more shows. Maybe prank or something. Yeah, we might.
A little stick of what we can do.
Yeah. Yeah, think about that one. Not
No,
grown. Not grown. No, you're not grown. No, you're not grown. You're not grown. She's not grown.
She loves, oh, big bad baby. That's a big bad baby right there. Oh, you know what? I'm grown, okay?
Absolutely not. But yeah, y'all. We might record. We might prank someone. So yeah, stay tuned for
We
that.
might record that though.
We might record it. Talk to you tomorrow for real. Or we might show a little clip of a little prank or whatever we're not doing. Yeah, y'all. Peace. See you later. Good morning, y'all.
Hi guys.
It's actually like 1 o'clock.
Oh,
Going on
it is.
2. Yeah, we're gonna get ready, whatever. I look crusty right now. Like, okay, y'all. So,
Crazy.
yeah, I feel like I look rough, so like, y'all see me on the camera right now. Just wait till later. It's like, it just, oh, so low. Puff ain't puffy. Yeah, I need to come out my hair, everything else. I'm crazy.
In your heart you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Maybe we just love like that.
Yeah, okay.
No, y'all stop. She playing.
I hear her play, she keeps playing. Not moving. Alright, anyways, y'all, we just ain't too much.
Would just show me mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love everybody else like that. Yeah, maybe we just all like that. Yeah, people just
Girl, what?
I can't change. No, 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 no. And the truth be done, that's just the way.
Big grab, and we'll come back and do our best.
We've been stopped getting ready. I forgot we never came back with y'all. But right now we at the mall. We just walking around for real. Okay. Yeah, y'all. We really just walking around for real. We got ready way earlier. We did our face stuff, everything. This girl, I don't know what she's doing.
Some little boy was yelling.
But yeah, y'all. My energy kind of low. I ain't gonna. I just want to watch Sophia in the first. And that's what I've been doing. And listening to music. But yeah, if y'all see my AirPod turned the whole other way, it's because my ear's so small that I have to turn it a certain way for it to fit in my ear and puff it in. Like stuff it in my ear, but like that's not the point. But yeah, y'all, fit is the fit. And it is what it is. Yeah, we just gonna walk around. I might record a little bit. I don't know yet. But like these are like little small clips of, you know, it might go on. This video might end today or tomorrow. Don't know yet, cause I don't even know how I'm gonna name it. But yeah. Peace. See y'all later. Hey y'all. Oh, hopefully the music not right. Hold up. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, hey y'all. So right now we just got over. My mama just got cinnamon buns. Here go mine. I got this. Let me see. Hold up. Let me not say it. I got the mango shake. So that's how it looks. Real good though. Taylor, which one you get? Y'all, so y'all the same one? It's good. Yeah. Cause you was like, that is good. I don't know how I like this taco right now. By itself, it ain't taco. I don't know. It's like
Having a couple of shots.
but like the pop, yeah, they're like good. It's good.
What box you got?
Yeah, I like it.
53.
It's good. Yeah, y'all.
53.
I'm gonna be back with y'all. I don't know when. But this vlog is real short, but like I'm trying to like little stuff together for y'all. But yeah, peace. See y'all later, girl. I keep saying that. Yeah, peace though. Okay, y'all. So it's way later in today. Only thing I did was I got home like 6 something, and yeah.
Because of the rain.
I got home like 6 something, took a nap, didn't get up to like 8 something mostly. And right now I'm with my siblings and stuff, and we just popping fireworks.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. So he said, hey, we finna go dance in the rain, y'all. So y'all, we popping fireworks. So all the stuff y'all see here is the fireworks stuff. And it's raining. I don't want to show y'all too much because like, yeah, no. But yeah. Yeah, y'all, we finna just finish popping these fireworks. And I'll be back with y'all. I might show y'all a little clip or whatever else is popping up. So yeah, hold on, let me light mine. And it's so pretty in the rain, y'all. Like the colors, by the way. Try to, you know. And it's not raining no more. Like it was so pretty in the rain, y'all. So now you're done. Now I'm finna go dance in the rain. And I'm not gonna show you that because I don't know if y'all know I live at. Yeah, y'all already know a lot of information already. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's too dark. They can't see you. They can't see you. Too dark. Anyways, yeah, y'all. I'm finna just chill with my siblings and I might close this vlog out. So, yes. Peace. Y'all, so we were just dancing in the rain. Yeah. And look at me. Look at him. You see, because it's so dark out here. Look, yeah. Rain, dancing in the rain was so fun. But like, yeah, we probably can get back to dancing in the rain. And yeah, be back. And so I can play with the bed though. Peace. See y'all later. I'm just like, okay, y'all. Not gonna lie, it's like technically 2 days later because it is like 12:40 something right now. So I'm trying to cover up this because my edges and everything, like, I look so crazy. Like, I have shorts on. Got shorts on. It's like 2 days later, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, technically. And yeah, I look rough right now. And I didn't even close out the video. I wasn't record because I wasn't record for today, which was, well, today's, dang. Today's what, Sunday now? I wasn't technically record for Saturday because I did do some fun stuff, but I ended up not recording. I was gonna close the video and open another video, but I didn't even do that video because I said I need 3 videos for this week. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to try at least like get one more video for y'all. But yeah, y'all, I really forgot to close out the video. A lot was going on. I look so crazy right now. Like, when I tell y'all, edges is messed up. Like, I told y'all, when my bed gets you looking like this, you know I slept good. And right now it's only 12. It's 12:50 right now. Let me show you that because I did unplug my alarm. Not gonna lie. You should see it right there. And I was listening to music and playing the game. Not the point. I came here to close out the video. Yeah, let me stop yapping, y'all. See y'all in the next video because I look real crazy. But hopefully, I don't know, the next video, ain't no hopefully. What? Next video finna be fire. I got y'all. I'm trying to come up with something a little different for y'all. Because I have been looking at, you know, little stuff in my book that I told you about in the beginning. About like basically, I don't know, it's all my YouTube ideas, YouTube ideas and all that. So I've been writing some stuff down in there that I can get done for this week. So hopefully I can get at least one of those videos from out that idea book thingy. Yeah. Get some ideas out of there and post a video for y'all. Maybe not this week, maybe next week, like Monday type junk. Yeah, y'all. Peace. Catch y'all in the next vid. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this little, spend 24 hours with me, whatever you want to call this. I don't know if you want, I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. But I'm gonna see when I start editing. Yeah. Peace. Love y'all. Oh.